Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Now get ready to make a lovely beaded heart bracelet for someone special in this Valentine's Day. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cute and simple heart-shaped bracelet using seed beads and crystal bicone beads. It's a great DIY gift idea for Valentine's Day. If you are looking for a quick and simple Valentine's Day craft, then make this easy beaded heart-shaped bracelet with me. If you are like this design and you wanna learn more jewelry tutorials like this, then please consider one like and subscribe. And my friend, from which country you watch this video and what is your native language, please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know. By the way, I'm Arpita from India. Let's check the material list for this bracelet. So we need some green bicone beads 4 mm, red beads 4 mm, golden seed beads 11 oh, beading needle number 10, clasp, jump ring and extension chain, beading thread 0.20 mm.
Now take 160 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and pick up 9 seed beads 11 oh and drop it down to the end of the thread.
Now go back through all 9 beads to make a circle and then tie a few secure knots here. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. I hope you already hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Now I'm passing my needle through couple beads here and then I just trim the extra tail thread here. Now pick up 1 bicone crystal, 3 seed beads and 1 bicone crystal. Now step down through the previous bead where your thread is coming out.
If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads, crystal beads and bracelet, necklace, earrings, finger rings, etc.
Now pick up 1 bicone and 3 seed beads here. Now step down through the 1 bicone and 3 golden seed beads here.
If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there.
Now pick up 4 golden seed beads and then pass through these 3 golden seed beads here. Now pick up 3 golden seed beads and then pass through the next 3 golden seed beads here. Now pick up 4 golden seed beads here and then pass through these 2 golden beads here. Now carefully skip the middle one and pass through the next 2 golden beads here. Now we need to reach to the top through this way. Now pass through these 9 beads here. Now pick up 1 bicone, 3 golden beads and 1 bicone and then step down through this previous 1 bead where your thread is coming out. Pick up 1 bicone and 3 seed beads and then step down through 1 bicone and 3 seed beads here. Pick up 4 golden seed beads and then pass through these 3 seed beads in the top. Again pick up 3 seed beads and then pass through the next 3 seed beads in the top. Now pick up 4 seed beads and then pass through these 2 seed beads here. Now carefully skip the middle one and pass through the next two golden beads here.
If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me to make more videos for you.
Now we need to reach to the top through this way. Now pass through the next 9 beads here. So in this way repeat and continue to grow the bracelet. Now you can make it according to your wrist size. Now I'm gonna make the closer loop here. So I pick up 6 golden seed beads here. Now go back through the previous one in the top. Now reinforce at this circle here. After that, tie a few secure knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread here. Now I'm gonna attach the clasp and jump ring here. Now attach jump ring and extension chain to the another side also. And the bracelet is done. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you understand the tutorial well. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.